Are you a business owner who relies on the internet and Alexa for information about your situation or your struggles or your legal problems? Well, today I want to do a fun little experiment and I want to introduce you to someone that you probably have heard about already. Here's my friend Alexa. Alexa, say hello.
Hi there.
So to put Alexa to the test, we're going to ask her a couple of questions about trademark law. Let's see how she does. By the end of this video, I want you to rank her, 10 being the best and 1 being, maybe I should talk to a trademark lawyer. So keep watching if you want to know what Alexa has to say. Alexa, what is a registered trademark?
According to Wikipedia, the registered trademark symbol, registered, is a typographic symbol that provides notice that the preceding word or symbol is a trademark or service mark that has been registered with the National Trademark Office. A trademark is a symbol, word, or words legally registered or established by use as representing a company or product.
I think what Alexa is trying to say, translation, you can register your word mark either as a company name, a slogan, a tagline, or as a logo. Alexa, what is a trademark?
As a noun, trademark can have a couple meanings. 1. Any name, symbol, figure, letter, word, or mark adopted and used by a manufacturer or merchant in order to designate specific goods and to distinguish them from those manufactured or sold by others. A trademark is proprietary and is usually registered with the Patent and Trademark Office to assure its exclusive use by its owner or licensee. 2. A distinctive mark or feature particularly characteristic of or identified with a person or thing, often used attributively.
Alexa is on fire. So I really liked Alexa's response there, and I think the translation said in a shorter way is that you can protect your brand and make it distinguishable from that of others using a registered trademark. So if you want to make sure that your brand is distinguishable from that of others, you should seek to register it with the ultimate symbol, which would be the circle R. Alexa, what is the Supplemental Register?
According to Wikipedia, in United States trademark law, the Supplemental Register is the secondary register of trademarks maintained by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. It was established in 1946 by Subchapter 2 of the Lanham Act to allow the domestic registration of trademarks that do not meet all the requirements for registration on the principal register, so that the holder of such a mark could register it in another country.
Okay, translation. The Supplemental Register is for those that are not eligible for the principal register. But has Alexa really explained to you how to get on the Supplemental Register? Let's see if she can give us the answer. Alexa, how do I get on the Supplemental Register?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Aww. Just one more reason why you should probably talk to a trademark lawyer about your trademark situation and your trademark issues. The internet doesn't have all the answers, and neither does Alexa. Alexa, what is an office action?
Here's something I found on Wikipedia. In the United States, an office action is a document written by an examiner in a patent or trademark examination procedure and mailed to an applicant for a patent or trademark.
Wow! Fantastic. Did you get that? Translation. Alexa is trying to tell you that an office action is a letter from the trademark examiner assigned to your application telling you what's wrong with your application. It should say summary of issues at the very top. And again, it will tell you what's wrong with your trademark application. Alexa, how long does it take to get a trademark registered?
Here's something I found from the article Trademark Clearinghouse on Wikipedia. As of October 2014, registering a single trademark can cost between $95 and $150 for 1 year.
Okay, well that's not the question I was asking. I asked Alexa how long it would take to register a trademark. Now, if she tells you between $95 and $100 and something, does that really answer your question? Tell me in the comments below, yes or no. In any case, if she gives you an answer like this, are you relying on her information? And is your belief going to be that it's going to cost between $95 and $100 and something? This is what is wrong with the world today. Don't rely on Alexa for everything. Do not rely on the internet for answering all of your questions. Alexa, how much does it cost to register a trademark?
Here's something I found from the article Trademark Clearinghouse on Wikipedia. As of October 2014, registering a single trademark can cost between $95 and $150 for 1 year.
Listen, if you really want to know how much it costs to register a trademark these days, I invite you to watch this video right here. How much does it cost to register my trademark? How much is it going to set me back? Because I can tell you that this answer is not correct. Unless she's talking about trademark attorney fees only, I'm not sure Alexa has the answer to that one either. Alexa, what is a likelihood of confusion?
The noun confusion is usually defined as the act of confusing.
Did Alexa tell you anything about your likelihood of confusion issue? Yes or no? Alexa, do you have the answers to everything?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, help me find an online trademark attorney.
I'm not sure what went wrong.
Look, you can just visit marcellatm.com. Online trademark attorney, helping online and offline businesses. Alexa, tell me more about trademarks.
Here's the Wikipedia article on Trademark. Trademark is a 325 feet tall, primarily residential, skyscraper in Charlotte, North Carolina.
So as you can see, guys, Alexa doesn't always have the answer to your trademark issues, and I can bet that the internet doesn't always have the answers to your specific situation either. As you can see, even for some of the most basic general questions, Alexa and the internet are not able to give us accurate answers to help us move forward efficiently and, well, confidently. If you're somebody that just relies on all the information you're reading on the internet, you could potentially be misguided. It could end up costing you money in the long run. And like I said, if you don't know what you don't know, then how are you going to know that you're going in the wrong direction? Sometimes you just need to speak to somebody who's an expert in a particular field, somebody who has been there, who has done that, somebody who does trademarks every single day. Now, if the DIY journey is for you because, well, you just don't have the funds for an attorney, just make sure you scroll down in the description below and you have explored all of your options, because the internet doesn't always have all the answers. And your specific situation is important. Your situation is not like that of others. If this video was helpful, then make sure you give me a thumbs up and you tell me in the comments below whether you prefer answers from Alexa or Marcella. I look forward to your response.